KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dob yeng jongpi
Ka harijan panchayat committee ka bami khmat ikibre ki besong wasa atham Ïewmawlong kala pedang yakara jong Sorkar ban penkenria no syakawai pat kajaka kani ka committee kala a ya kani ka jing Mynjur ha ka jing lang ka lalong bat ka Sorkar jilla ha kala sngiu blai ka arpsan tre yayong arjar arpuar ka harijan panchayat committee kala dawa ba ka Sorkar jilla kadai ban ai kajaka mar arspa square meter ya manla kawai pakawai ka long yeng kabadan hatam Ïewmawlong bat ya ka jinglot jingsep baro dai ban shim jingit klehi da ka Sorkar jilla nadu ka penthit jaka bat ban penchna ya ki yengsa
had a meeting with the HPC relating to the subject of relocation. In fact, again, they have submitted a proposal to us. Of course, they agreed for relocation, but certain conditions they have submitted to us where we discussed today. And again, ultimately what we were decided today from the government side, we will prepare a blueprint, detailed proposal from the government side. And then once that is done, we will communicate officially to them. And once that is done, they will sit down again with their residents over there and take a final decision. Next meeting, I think maybe by before 10 or 15 of next month, hopefully we'll be able to prepare all the detailed proposal to be submitted to them. And once that is done, then meeting will be held again. No, the condition is like this. In fact, what they wanted is, number one, they wanted, if possible, they wanted separate location altogether for all the 342 household who already inventorized way back in 2008. That is number one. Then number two, in fact, the question of whether once the unit is constructed, whether they will be able to own that unit generation to generation. These are the issues where they wanted to get the detail, as I said to you, from the government side. So as I said to you, now we have already instructed Urban Affairs Department to do all the details, proposal, and then we will submit that to them. And once that is done, then meeting will be held and we'll take a final call. Right now, we are yet to finalize the place, but of course we are identifying not less than 2-3 places. So this also we will be able to tell you exactly once the Urban Affairs Department done all the details. Yeah, no, in fact, right now we see this is the second meeting on the basis of the High Court order, okay? And we will continue to do that till we reach to a conclusion where both sides, again from the government as well as from the HPC, once we are agreeable, then we will jointly file affidavit to the Honorable High Court to close down the case. See, they wanted that it should be shifted to one place. All of them, means all the 342. For that also we agreed. And they said that it should be also within the government revenue land. That also we agreed. Okay, that also we agreed. Therefore, right now, as I said to you, I can't say anything beyond that. Let the Urban Affairs Department work out all the details, and then we will send back those detailed blueprint to the HPC, and again after that we will sit down across the table once again. Already asked Urban Affairs Department to speed up this issue, and once that is done, we will send it to them. I think it will not take much, that maybe on or before 15th of May.